My name is Andy Bell, and this is the 4th TRD Pro Challenge. In the past, we've raced in Baja, climbed Chilean volcanoes, and conquered the Dalton Highway in Alaska. For this challenge, we're going across an entire country, south to north.
Oh, wait. Oh!
Here to help me are two of my best friends, Jamie Bestwick and Roland Sands. These guys have no idea what they're in for. If they don't think I'm serious about this trip, they got another thing coming.
Where is he?
I got a little challenge for you boys. You up for it?
Well, now that you've finally turned up, yeah, we are. I mean, we've been waiting here about 3 hours.
Don't you guys worry. Jamie, Forerunner. Mr. Sands, Tacoma. I'm taking the Bad Dog Tundra. You guys get ready? Let's do this.
All right. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Drive careful. Oh, there's just some mud here, boys. See how Roland Jamie like this one.
Oh, nice. Holy smokes, it's the monsoon. This weather's crazy.
Hey boys, welcome to Ho Chi Minh City. Whoa! Did you see that dude just like push by me?
What a lunatic!
So that's the closest I've gotten to almost hitting somebody in my life.
Nobody looks left or right. People just pull out.
Now! I really don't like taxis.
This is such chaos right now.
Can we please be done with this traffic?
Super heavy drop off. A drop! If you put a wheel off there, this trip is over.
Yeah, be careful, please. And it's so slick right here.
It's pushing you towards ropes and trees.
That drop off on the side was like 2,000 feet. I don't want this to push me towards that.
Whoa. Stop. Big old mud bug right here. So stop, let's have a look at it and see what the game plan is.
Hey, Jamie.
Yeah?
It's really deep right here in the middle. You're going to high center a little bit, maybe?
He's going to try and pop up on that left shoulder right there.
Yeah, go for it. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't think about it. Go that side. Yeah. Yeah, Jamie.
Let's go now, boys.
Nice one. All right, roll. Let's go. That side. Nice. Yeah. All right, boys. Let's show you what's up. Yes!
I've flown 24 hours to get to Vietnam, and he's asking me to eat duck.
We're at a local restaurant. I asked him to bring the local delicacies.
Don't worry, Roland, we ordered you a Happy Meal.
It's the egg of luck. No! Oh, you're a man! Hey guys, data ahead of us. That's our shortcut right up there. Zigzag road. That thing will save us at least 4 hours.
It looks like a great opportunity to get stuck in the mud.
It's pretty serious. But if we can make it through this mud, we'll drop right into Hanoi.
Hey Andy, this is just like racing at Baja.
No way.
We're definitely getting off the beach out here. Hey, this road's a bit wet.
This isn't a road, man. This is a river.
Heads up, guys. It's getting soft. All right, take some control, maybe. Yeah!
That was sick, though.
Look at this mess.
It's like a moving river of scooters.
Oh my God.
You're really making me want a cup of coffee now.
Come on!
Weasel coffee.
Trust me.
We're about to drink coffee that came from the poop of an animal.
Cheers, guys. Weasel
Cheers.
coffee.
It's good.
That's great. Hey, let's get a shave.
Barber right here. Barber.
You think we can do anything with this?
You look really good right now.
What is that?
Jamie, you suck at this thing.
Just getting warmed up.
Oh, what are you doing? Sorry.
Hey, Belle, are we sleeping out here tonight?
Don't you guys worry. I got it handled.
What do you got in store for us here?
It's a homestay.
What do you mean a homestead?
It's like a Vietnamese B&B.
Did anybody get the Wi-Fi password?
Guys, you're not going to believe the spot we're going to right now. It's like straight out of a movie.
Is it just me or have we been here before? Andy, is this the way we're supposed to be going?
Don't worry, guys. Of course I know where I'm going. What do you think? Ooh, left?
Come on, bro. Are you kidding me?
Just around this corner.
Guys, I think we need to take our time and just figure out a plan.
No, we're totally fine.
That's the second time we passed that tractor, buddy. What you doing? Just make your mind up.
This looks like a road to nowhere, man.
Will you please just ask for directions?
Okay, I do not. Okay, perfect. Just this way? Is that way? Yeah, okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Holy moly. If this is getting lost, count me in.
Absolutely incredible. Just stunning.
Vietnam from tip to tail. This has been incredible.
Well, we showed up with 3 TRD pros who made it through everything Vietnam had to throw at us. Sand, rocks, and riverbeds, and crazy traffic.
Cow in the road!
These things are so badass. We got into a few sticky situations. Always got out of them, though. But what better place to come challenge with these trucks and 2 of my buddies. Challenge Vietnam? Check.
Where are we going next?
I've got a nice little shortcut planned. Should be pretty easy.
Yeah, but